A big hello to all my dear friends out there. Hope you all are doing fantastic. Welcome back to Feel Good, our YouTube channel. I'm Mitra. Today I felt that I should talk about a phenomenon that is very close to my heart. Guess what? You'll come to know as we go further together. Sometimes some of us have this one pertinent and recurring question in our minds that will my future be bright? I think this one question would have run so many times and still running inside many of our heads. Nobody can deny this. We call this fear of the unknown. My dear friends, although we have plan A, B and C and systematic work plan for it, still the fear of the unknown, the lack of confidence, sometimes the low self-esteem, all put together make us doubt and shake us down. Will I be a winner in the future? Well, I have a solution and an answer to this question. Let me tell you a story. There was this small and beautiful village with its innocent villagers. This village had a problem. For years together, there was no rainfall in this village. The agricultural lands had dried up. Lakes, ponds, wells are all showing up their cracked bottom surface. No crop cultivation, not able to rear cattle as there is no water, no occupation as well for the villagers. Everywhere it is dull and dry without a single drop of rain for many years. As a result, the entire village had to starve as there was not enough food for everyone. Eventually, there was an acute famine. The villagers put their minds together to find a solution to overcome the situation. After long discussions, they realized that rain is the only solution that can eradicate the prevailing famine. But how to get rain? Rainfall is a natural phenomenon that is not in the hands of human beings. At that point, a wise old man suggested that the villagers can meet a rishi who is living at the outskirts of the village. If the villagers go there and meet him, the rishi would conduct powerful pujas for the rain god and they would possibly get rain. This sounded a healing idea and the villagers cheered up. They all agreed to the plan unanimously and resolved to meet the rishi the next day. Okay, now the next day came. The villagers are all set to start and head towards the powerful rishi. And they also somehow managed to collect a little money, some jewels, and many other things for giving it as an offering to the rishi, so that he will be pleased and conduct an intense puja to get them rain. All set and ready, a group of 50 members gathered and started their journey towards the rishi. In that group, there were men, women, old people, youngsters, children of all age groups. Everybody carried their offering to the rishi. The journey began. In that group, there was this small boy who carried an umbrella with him. As the journey started, after a little while, some people asked him, "While we are carrying jewels and costly clothes for the rishi, why are you carrying this old umbrella with you?" The boy answered, "We may not need this umbrella right now, but while we return home, we would need this because we will receive rain after the puja." This answer left all the villagers dumbstruck. Yes, it is not just our efforts, but It is our strong faith that keeps us moving, that gives us enough conviction and reasons to move on and achieve things that we want. And hence, my dear friends, I hope now you'd have got the answer to that frequent question, will my future be bright? And the answer is yes. If you have that faith, the unbeatable, the unstoppable, never ending faith as that of the little boys, so fill in your hearts with such kind of immovable faith, and your future or the endeavors that you venture in is bound to succeed. It has to be successful, irrespective of the hardships that you undergo now in the journey. But you will emerge and end up only successful. So, my dear friends, never give up on your faith. You are destined to succeed one day. So, chin up, cheer up, and have a wonderful day. I send the lucky stars to you, and all good things happen to you. I will meet you in my next story. Take care of yourself. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. And this is Mitra saying bye for now with lots of love.